Hey guys, it's Kyle at GreatVacs. We get quite a few emails wondering, why does my Rainbow D4 vacuum cleaner come with two of the same hoses? So in today's video, we're going to tell you why. Alright guys, let's get started with this video. So the main reason your D4 Rainbow vacuum comes with two non-electrical tool hoses is for convenience. Because when you get your D4 assembled, you're going to have one hose attached to the wand, which is connected to the head. And when you got the cord wrapped around the hose with the cord clips, it's a lot easier just to leave it on instead of undoing everything to simply attach a tool. So that's why we include another non-electrical hose, as you can simply attach any tool for your liking, whatever cleaning purpose you're doing. Another cool thing about these hoses is they're safe for water pickup, whether it's the one attached to your head or your extra one. But you want to remember, if you're doing water pickup, you're not going to want to do it with the power head. You're going to want to either do just the hose itself, or you can do an attachable wand that can connect onto the hose, or you can use any tool. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope it was helpful and you learned a few things about your D4 vacuum. If you have any questions, go ahead and send us an email at service@greatvacs.com, or if you'd like to purchase some additional hoses, we'll have links for purchase in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and click on that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.